And what we see is that the AI is giving out information which is based on all of those sales talks of the fintech companies, which might be not true, which might be a bit exaggerating the problem. So that's the thing that I see on the market due to the lack of the education. And unfortunately, still today, people who are making decisions over payments and banking and fintech and integration are just not trained to do that.
They ask
Because we
ChatGPT.
Exactly, and then ChatGPT gives all that answers, which it's fed online, and everything is coming from a provider's website as information, but it's obviously the whole content is to support the sales, so it's very very biased, and that's what I'm seeing, that there is a lot of misinformation, a lot of bad decisions, a lot of risks that we are taking, a lot of confusion. There are no commonly agreed practices or benchmarks. If I say gateway, you might have a completely different understanding than what is my understanding on that. For example, even in this crypto and stable coin, certain banks are considering this as the thing to do. It's okay. I've got the relevant compliance team to filter out what's right and what not, while other banks in other part of the world are completely, oh no no no, I'm not going to take it because I don't know this, I don't trust this. So it is very very complex, but basically our mission is to educate people, because the basic bare minimum has to be there about what is fintech, what is a bank, what is open banking, what is crypto. And I think this is the biggest problem, that even if you go around in any industry now and start asking the users, not the fintech companies, because obviously that's their bread and butter, but if you're asking the users that, please, can you clarify for me what is the difference of fintech or a neobank or an MSB license or an EMI license or a crypto license, they don't know. However, they are trusting those providers with their funds. So that's what I really see.
Yeah, and make sure when you're typing these companies' websites into your browser that you do not do a typo. Because I had this situation when we registered the fintech company to our conference, and I accidentally did not copy the first letter of that payment of their website. And it was a totally different company. And I was amazed. Oh my God. So you can just like type in anypay.com and it definitely shows up a payments provider or a fintech company. So it's whoa. It's a big world out there. All right, so let's move to the my favorite part of the world, the politics. I declared it. That's my favorite.
Guys,
So,
we will be jumping off, I think,
all right.
Alexandra. This is the right time, probably.
Yeah.
So we don't disrupt
Thank you for doing the
the
bad
rest.
job.
Thank you,
Thank you,
guys.
everyone.
Yes,
Bye.
thank you for having us. It was amazing.
All right, so Anna Pavlovska. Let's start with you. Let's start with the gossip first. Let's maybe you like to set straight today, and also talk about a bit of the AI.
Yes, on the gossip. This is my favorite part. So, actually, yesterday I was in a conference on the fraud, and we spoke with Europol and we spoke with law enforcement. And what's happening?